All right, got the roof framed up. Now they're hanging it. A lot of work in these custom rigs, guys. A lot of work. Tacking it in. That's a folding side right there. It actually folds down, opens up when you get stopped wherever you're going. Driver's side will be the same way. It's about a 4-foot wingspan, just under 4 foot. Coming outside the cooker or the trailer. Protect you from some sun, give you some shade, protect you from some rain hitting you direct on you. And of course we got shipping going out over there. I think the truck's sitting out there now. Yeah, there's the truck. Got 3 shipping a day. This is shipment number 2. I got 1 more to go out. That's it.